Hello students, today we'll see 8th standard 6th lesson factorization of algebraic expressions. Last year just we have studied how to take factors of algebraic expressions, that is binomial, trinomial, for that. Now we'll see quadratic factors of a quadratic trinomial. See here, factors of a quadratic trinomials. See, an expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic trinomial. Now let's go to the practice set 6.1. See, from this, only for this year, these sums, 4 sums are omitted from your syllabus. 6, 7, 8 and 9. Because all similar sums are there, these are omitted. Only for 2020. Rest we will solve. See, we have to factorize this a quadratic equation. Now we have to take factors of 18. As such, the addition of that factor will come plus 9. See, we will take the factors. Now so many factors are there for this, because 18 number will come in so many tables. See, 9 2s are 18, but it will not, the sum is not coming plus 9. Then 6 3s are 18, 6 and 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6 and 3 addition is coming 9. So we can take this as factors. Now we'll solve this. See, x square plus, this we have to write like this, 18, 6 and 3, 9x we have to write like this, 6x plus 3x plus 18. Next step, from these two terms, we have to take common factor. Now see, from first one, x you can take common, x into the bracket x plus 6, plus from this 3 you can take as common, x, and 6 3s are 18, so 6 inside the bracket. Now these two brackets are common, x plus 6, then inside the bracket x plus 3. These are the factors of this quadratic expression. Now see, question number 1 I have solved. Question number 2 to 5, that all are same, that you can solve according to this. Now fourth one I will solve for you. 5y square plus 5y minus 10. Now here see, with the first term also one digit is there, constant number, so we have to multiply with this. Now 5 tens are 50, so minus 50, because minus sign is there, minus 50. You have to take factors of minus 50, so that your sum or difference should come plus 5. So 50, 5 tens are 50, so 5 and 10, we want here plus 5, so minus here and plus here. Now see, next step, 5y square plus, we have to write 10y minus 5y minus 10. Now these two terms and these two terms, common factor you have to take, 5y inside the bracket y plus 2 minus, we are taking common, 5 inside the bracket y minus y plus 2. Now from these two brackets common, y plus 2, and inside the bracket 5y minus 5. This is your answer. Still from this second bracket you can take 5 as common. So I am taking 5 common from this. 5 inside the bracket y minus 1 and second bracket y plus 2 as it is. See one more, 11th one. Here 20x square minus 26x plus 8. Here factor we have to take 8 into 20, 160. So 26 sum or difference should come. So 16 tens are 160. So minus 26 should come. So we have to take minus 16 and minus 10 as factors. Now see next step, 20x square minus 10x minus 16x plus 8. Now from these two we have to take common factor. 10x will be common here. Inside the bracket 10x minus 1. Then minus 8 is common. 2x minus 1. So here also 10 2s are x. So 2 will come inside the bracket. Equal to, now 2x minus 1 second bracket 10x minus 8. Still from this bracket you can take 2 as common. So I am taking 2 common from this. 2 inside the bracket 5x minus 4 second bracket as it is, 2x minus 1. Now remaining questions same way we have to solve from practice set 6.1. Now we'll go to the next. Now next practice set we have to solve using this formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to first bracket a plus b, second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. And for next problem set, practice set, see here a cube plus b cube, the another formula a cube minus b cube. See in this first bracket minus sign is there, a minus b, and second bracket a square plus ab plus b square, all plus sign. First in plus formula a square minus ab plus b square. In second here minus sign is there. In the second formula in first bracket minus sign is there. Together if you learn it will be easy to learn. Now we'll go to the practice set 6.2. See the formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, first bracket second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Here see x cube plus 64 y cube. So this is the first term, a 64 y cube, this is the second term. Now see here a cube means x cube and b cube means 64 is the cube of 4. So 4y cube. Now here 4y is b and x is a. Now we can put the formulas in this, put these values in the formula. Now see this is equal to a plus b. A is x, b is 4y. Second bracket a square, that means x square minus ab, x into 4y, x into 4y plus b square, that means 4y square. So all this bracket, first bracket as it is, second bracket x square minus 4xy plus 4 square 16y square. That's it. Up to here only we have to solve. This is your final answer. Now one more we will see. Now this is also so simple. Just fraction is there. We'll solve this. See, y cube first term is y cube, second term 1 upon 8 is the cube of 2, that means 2y cube, that means y cube 1 upon 2y cube. Now put this in the formula. First bracket y plus 1 upon 2y, second bracket a square y square, here minus sign is there, minus ab, that means y into 1 upon 2y plus b square 1 upon 2y bracket square. Now solve this. First bracket as it is 1 upon y plus 1 upon 2y, second bracket y square, here see y is there and in denominator and this is in numerator. Here nothing is there means down 1 is there. So y and y will get cancelled. So minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 square 4y square. This is your answer. Now like this way, see, so this one, sixth one I have solved, 7th and 8th it is like this only, and remaining all like first you can solve it. Now we'll go for the next, that is this formula, a cube minus, that is this one, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. See, practice set 6.3, this formula you have to use. First one is y cube minus 27, that will be y cube minus 27 is the cube of 3, that means 3 cube. Here this is a and this is b. Now we can put the values in the formula. Y minus 3, second bracket y square plus ab means 3y plus b square means 3 square. Solve this. Y minus 3 y square plus 3y plus 3 square 9. This is your final answer. Now we'll go to fifth one. See, third one we'll see 27m cube minus 260 and cube. For this you should know the cube and cube roots. Now see, so 27 is the cube of 3. So 3m cube minus 216 is the cube of 6. 6n cube. That means 3m is A and 6n is B. Now you have to put these values in the formula. First bracket 3m minus 6n, first bracket. Second bracket a square, that means 3m square, plus ab, that means 3m into 6n, plus b square, that means 6n square. First bracket as it is. Second bracket 3m square, that is 9m square, plus 6 3s are 18mn, plus 6 square 36 n square n square. Now this is your final answer. Now I will take fifth one. This is so simple only, just fraction is there as one term. See, now I will solve this. 8 is cube of 2, that means 2p is the first term, that is a, minus 27 is the cube of 3 and p cube is the cube of p. So 3p cube, this is your second term b. Now simply you have to put the values. 2p minus 3 upon p, first bracket, second bracket 2p square plus 2p into 3 upon p plus 3 upon p square. Now 2p minus 3 upon p, first bracket as it is, then second bracket 2p square, that means 4p square, plus here see p and p will get cancel, 3 into 2 6 plus 3 square 9 upon p. This is your final answer. Now in this was the first question, that is factorize. Now we will see second question, that is simplify. That means two formulas we have seen. See like this, two formulas we have seen, a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. The same formulas, the same formula we have to use to solve that, or before which I have learned, that formulas may be used in this. See our formula, this is a, this is b, that means a cube minus b cube you have to use here. What is the formula? First bracket a minus b, so a is x plus y, b is x minus y, second bracket x square, that means x plus y square, plus ab, that means x plus y, x minus y, plus b square, x minus y square. Now see here y see in this first one, x plus y minus, inside the bracket x minus y is there, so sign will get change. Now we'll see, we'll solve this, x plus y minus x plus y, second bracket we'll solve this bracket, x square plus 2xy plus y square, plus multiplying this, first term first, then second term, x square minus xy, then plus xy minus y square, plus second bracket we will solve, x square minus 2xy plus y square. This is the second bracket. Now we'll see here x plus x minus x will get cancelled. What is remaining? 2y. Then see in the bracket plus 2xy and minus 2xy will get cancelled. Minus xy plus xy will get cancelled. Then minus y square plus y square will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? We will write that. See 2y inside the bracket, x square plus y square plus x square plus x square. See here 2y inside the bracket, 3 times x square is there, that means 3x square plus y square. Now we will multiply this, 2 into 3 6 x square y plus 2y cube. This is your final answer. Now see this third one, a plus b cube minus a cube minus b cube. Now here only one formula you have to use, that is a plus b whole bracket cube. This we will keep as it is. It will be easy to solve. See, formula for this: a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole cube is a cube minus plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the first bracket minus a cube minus b cube. Now directly from this we can cut, see, a cube, b cube. Now remaining 3a square b plus 3ab square. The same way, third one, factorizing this second bracket you can solve easily. Then fifth one, how first one I have solved, same way, a minus b whole cube and a plus b whole cube formula you have to put and solve. Second and fifth is same. Like this way complete this practice set. Now we'll go for the next. Now see practice set 6.4. Here some rational numbers are there in algebraic expression, that are rational algebraic expressions. Now here also same way you have to use different formulas. Now m square minus n square is there. What is the formula for this? M plus n, m minus n. Now here m plus n square, that means m plus n and m plus n. 2 times you can write. Multiplied by this one, m square plus mn plus n square. This will be as it is. Now m cube minus n cube formula you have to apply here. First bracket a minus b, that means m minus n. Then second bracket m square plus mn plus n square. Now see what you can cut from this. This m plus n, m plus n. Here m minus n, m minus n. Again this full bracket will go. Now remaining only 1. See, in the numerator nothing is there. Down m plus n bracket is remaining. So answer is 1 upon m plus n. Very simple it is. Just you have to see this expression. According to that you have to put the values in the formulas. Now see the next. Now we'll see this fourth question from this. X square minus 5x minus 24 divided by x plus 3, x plus 8. Then x square minus 64 and x minus 8 whole square. Now see, this first expression we can split it as this. We can solve it here. Then put the values directly. 5x minus 24. We have to factorize this. X square, here 8 3s are 24. 3x minus 8 plus 8x minus 24. Now next, see from this 3x common, x minus 3, here minus 8 common, x minus 3, x minus 3 and x plus 8. Now directly we can write here x minus 3, x plus 8, down x plus 3, x plus 8. Here see x square minus 64 means x, 64 is the square of 8. So x plus 8, x minus 8. Here x minus 8, x minus 8. Now see what you can cut. Here x plus 8, x plus 8, x minus 8, x minus 8. What is remaining? X minus 3, x plus 3. Here x plus 8 and x minus 8. See, in this sign difference was there. Here x minus 8 should come because minus 5 we should get answer. So minus 8 and plus 3. See here, minus 8, x plus 3, x minus 8. So x minus 8 here and x minus 8 here will get cancel. Then x minus 8 again, 1 x minus 8 cancel. This x plus 8, x plus 8. Here x plus 3 and x plus 3. Here this is the this is plus, this is, so this both will get cancelled. Directly will get answer 1. Fourth one. Now fifth one we will see. Now see fifth one. Here in between the two expressions division sign is there. So we will take reciprocal of this fraction as multiplication. 3x square minus x minus 2, x square minus 7x plus 12 multiplied by x square minus 4 down 3x square minus 7x minus 6. Now we'll see which formula you can do here. See first one, 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 you have to factorize like this. So factors will come 3 2s are 6, minus 3 and plus 2. So directly we can write x minus 3, x plus 2. Or either you can solve this and then take factors. Next, see this one, 12. 4 3s are 12. 7 should come. So minus 4 and minus 3. X minus 3, x minus 4 will be the factors. Then x square minus 4, x plus 4, x minus 4. Here 6 3s are 18. 18, so 9 2s are also 18. So minus 9 and 2 will be the factor. See, I have solved this expression here. So factors I got 3x minus 2, x minus 3. Now see which will get cancelled. This x minus 3, x minus 3. Then x minus 4, x minus 4. Then remaining will be as it is. You can write. One more we will see. See, seventh one, a cube minus 27 divided by this term. See, here also division sign is there. So we will reciprocal that. 5a square minus 16a plus 3 multiplied by 25a square minus 1, a square plus 3a plus 9. And I take factors for this. This one, a cube minus 27. So a, see the formula for this, a minus 3, a square plus 3a plus 9 down 5a square plus 16a plus 3. 5 3s are 15. Minus 16 should come. So 5 3s are 15 ones are 15. Minus 15 and minus 1. You can solve here and write down the factors. The factors I got, a minus 3, 5a minus 1. Here 5a minus 1, 5a plus 1. Down a square plus 3a plus 9. It will be as it is, a square plus 3a plus 9. Now see what you can cancel, a minus 3, 5a minus 1, 5a minus 1, this bracket and this bracket. So remaining is 5a plus 1. This is your final answer. Same way, very easy questions are there. Full practice set. You have to complete it. Thank you.